Hello kids, welcome to today's study class. Today we learn how to color in pineapple. Today we use some colors like yellow color, light green color, orange color. Let's start. Orange color. Today we use multicolors in our pineapple. Which fruit is this, kids? This is pineapple. Which fruit? Pineapple. This is pineapple fruit and we use multicolors in our pineapple. So kids, our pineapple is ready. Let's revise again how many colors we use. Orange color, green color and yellow color. So kids, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel. See you next video. Bye bye.